Today our topic is preposition. Preposition is a word which is placed before a noun or pronoun to show its relationship with something else. Something else can be an object or anything else which a sentence want to describe. Kinds of preposition are here. First is our simple preposition. These are up, down, from, since, for, on, at, upon, in, off, to, etc. Next kind is our compound preposition. These are into, within, up to, on to, without, among, between, inside, outside, beside, besides, etc. These are our compound preposition. Next is our double preposition. From within, from outside, from inside, from behind. These all are our double preposition because it is combination of two preposition. One is from and next is outside, from, next is inside. So it is called our double preposition. Next kind is our participle preposition, which used participle with when we use participle with a word, that time it is called participle preposition. Including, understand, understanding. ing is our participle, present participle. Respect, respecting. These are our participle prepositions. I will describe it all. Next is our phrasal preposition. When a phrase is used to give meaning, proper meaning to a sentence, it is called our phrase preposition, phrasal preposition. For example, because of, in place of, on account of, by dint of, instead of, etc. These all are our phrase prepositions. Let's start with simple preposition explanation. In, on, at. Primary preposition are these. In. It is used with name of centuries, month, year, big cities, and enclosed space. Examples are here. India got independence in 1947. India got freedom in 1947. Year it is. My brother will come in August. With month, it is here. In August. There will be many eclipses in 21st century. In, for century is used. My friend live in Mumbai. My friend live in Delhi, live in Shimla. For big cities, we can use this preposition. Next is our children like to play in the park, enclosed space. Example is this. In the garden, in the field, in the room, in the hall. These all are our examples of enclosed space. In box, put my pencil in the box. In my pocket, I have a little money in my pocket. Enclosed space are these all. In the building, my friend live in this building. In the building. In my purse, I have a lot money in my purse. I have a lot money in my wallet. These all are examples of this simple preposition in. Next is our on. It is used with the things at rest. With the thing